For this video, I'm going to review subtracting mixed numbers. Notice that I need for you to take notes in your notebook, pause and finish the problems before me. Okay, before I do, I want you to finish them first so that you're trying these and learning more than just watching me. For the first problem here, 4 2/3 minus 1 1/5, we need to find common denominators. 3 and 5 have nothing in common, so the common denominator would be 15. Please pause and finish the problem, pushing play again when you're done. You should now be done with the problem if you have pushed play again. Double check what you did with what I did. I know I had to multiply by 3 down here, so on top I multiply by 3 as well. Here I had to multiply by 5, so on top I have to multiply by 5 as well. 10 take away 3 is 7/15, and 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 and 7/15 is what you should have gotten for number 1. I'm checking your notes before you can go on to homework today. That is problem number 1 that I will look for. Okay, here's problem number 2. 9 1/6 minus 3 3/4. Pause the problem and try to solve. Make sure you're finding common denominators. The common denominator is 12. When you make equivalent fractions, you should end up with 2/12 and 9/12. You cannot take 9 away from 2, so you have to do borrowing. Borrow from the 9, make it an 8. That 1 whole we're going to add to the 2/12 we already had, and 1 whole is 12/12. That gives us 14/12 on top. Now we still have to take away 9/12 from the 14/12, which is 5/12. Don't forget 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 and 5/12. I hope you got it right before you checked it with me. Please copy down the third problem in your notes. 12 1/9 minus 8 2/3. Pause the video and begin to solve. If you've solved the problem, let's begin checking your work. 1/9 and 6/9 are my fractions that I have once I make common denominators of 9, because the smaller goes evenly into the bigger, and therefore my common denominator is 9. But I can't take 6 away from 1. I only have 1 up top. I need more. I'm going to borrow from the 12, make it an 11, and then add that 9/9, which is 1 whole, to the 1/9 I already had, giving me 10/9 up top, which is plenty to subtract 6 from. 10 minus 6 is 4, and that's 4/9. 11, take away 8 is 3. I hope you had 3 and 4/9 before you pushed play. Make sure to rewind and play again any parts that you were not sure of.